Our top 5 best digital pens for artists. One number product. Livescribe Symphony Smart Pen Digital Pen. Never miss a word. Livescribe Smart Pens elegantly deliver the traditional benefits of pen and paper along with the augmented value of an instant backup, easily shareable content, and handwriting transcription to turn notes into searchable copy. Simply write with a Livescribe Smart Pen on any Livescribe notebook and capture everything you write, hear or draw. All your handwritten thoughts, ideas, and notes get an instant digital makeover using the free Livescribe Plus app. Record audio with your smartphone microphone while you take notes and you can create pen casts, or add voice to your notes. Perfect for students, teachers, and professionals. 2 number product. Mixoo Smart Pen for touchscreens. Normally our stylus won't cause scratches on touchscreen, but we still suggest you to use a screen protector on your device to protect the screen from any possible damage, scratches which may be caused by dirt on disk, screen, damaged tips or defective product of low probability. This is an universal stylus. No Bluetooth connected or specified apps required, just take it as your fingers to write on your touchscreens directly. Remember not to rest your palm on the screen when you use the stylus, or it won't work well. 3 number product. Zzz Good Pen for Surface. The negative pole should be toward the top. The pencil without the display light. Auto sleep after 5 minutes idle. If the stylus can't work, please try another battery. Or update your Surface device system. If your device is Dell, HP, Asus, please make sure your device is touchable and the system is Windows 10. There is 2 shortcut buttons, eraser button and right click button. Just press the button when you need the function. Please take out the battery when you don't use it for a long time. For saving the power, please don't press the tip while the pen is not working. Please click the key to wake up when you use it again after hibernation. 4 number product. Moleskine Pen plus Ellipse Smart Pen. Simple to use and a pleasure to write with, the Pen plus Ellipse Smart Pen by Moleskine combines the natural immediacy of expressing yourself on the pages of a notebook with all the advantages of borderless digital creativity. Just like the Moleskine classic pens, the Pen plus Ellipse clips to any hardcover, ready to jot down thoughts whenever inspiration strikes. Its shape is inspired by the same rectangular form, while its curved cross-section matches the distinctive rounded edges of the paper tablet. 5 number product. Apple Pencil. Far and away the best artist stylus for iPads, and in my mind the best artist stylus period. The Apple Pencil feels wonderful in the hand, natural and comfortable, with just enough heft and with a really premium quality feel, and flows absolutely perfectly on the iPad screen. Thanks for watching this video.